Yo, what's good? The message for today is you gotta own your shit. You gotta own your problems. You gotta own your life. You gotta own the situation you're in. You can't be embarrassed of what you have. You can't fold your cards. And what I mean by that is you can't sort of look at your cards and tell yourself to just give up. Because then you're just running away from your problems. You're just giving away these illusions in your head, telling yourself that you don't have any of these problems. You're denying it. But when you own your shit like a true freaking tiger, when you own the thing that you need to own up to, that's when real growth occurs. That's when you take responsibility for all your problems, for all your life, for the situation you're in. No matter how bad it is, the first step is to take responsibility. Tell yourself, I need to work on this, I need to work on this, I need to work on this. Tell yourself, my business is not working, I need to change it. Tell yourself that you are a loser, you don't have any friends, but I need to change it. Tell yourself that you are broke, but I'm gonna find a job. I understand that I'm broke, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna be broke for the rest of my life. I'm gonna find myself a job. Own up to your shit. Take responsibility as a man. Take responsibility as a beast. You gotta own up to everything that's not working out for you. You gotta look at it. Successful people, they look at what they have, no matter what kind of cards they have. They look at what they have and they create something with it. They create something, their creativity, their resourcefulness. They use all their skills and pull them together and create something and gain momentum and build something. What you need to do if you're in a tough spot, a tough situation, is to own up to it. Tell yourself, this is my experience in my life. I need to own up to it. And I need to find a way to create something good, to create something nice, to create what I want to create. So own up to your shit, bro. Peace out. And don't fold your cards. No matter what you do not fold your cards. You look at your cards, do not fold them. Own up to what you have and play it. Play the poker game.